Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can register or sign up in your Temu account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open the Temu app on your Android device. After you do so, you will be redirected to its home screen. Now as you are in the home screen, you need to click on the accept all cookies option and click on the profile icon on the taskbar below the screen. All you need to do now is click on the sign in/register option and type in your email address or your mobile phone number. Once you do so, you need to click on the continue option, and now you need to simply create a password strong enough to protect your Temu account. So after you are done filling in both your credentials, you need to simply click on the I agree box and click on register option. So after you do so, you can add a phone number or you can just skip that part, and you are all ready with a newly created Temu account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.